Hey, it's Rusty and Kirsten. Thanks for tuning in to Burning Cereal. We have some exciting news about some new updates to the Burning Cereal channel.
Want me to spell it?
Yeah, spill it.
Okay, so tomorrow we are flying all the way to North Carolina to pick up the new Burning Cereal Sprinter van, and we're going to be cooking on the road and possibly have an additional channel, a little travel channel, and we are so excited. The crazy thing is not only have we not seen this van in person that we've purchased, we haven't even been in the model that we are buying in person. We've seen videos on YouTube, but kind of crazy, but we're diving head on and
Yes,
we'll see.
it's going to be fun, and I think some of the premise is going to be. I've seen a lot of travel videos where people are, living out of their van. We're not going to be living out of our van, but they're cooking just basic, hamburgers, hot dogs. And that's not the way it has to be. There's a full kitchen in these things. So we're going to make some really, really good meals right out of a Sprinter van. We can't wait for you guys to see the new videos. And we hope that you join the new channel. We'll let you know. We haven't even named it yet. It hasn't even started. We'll let you know about that. But we're going to spend the next 4 days driving from North Carolina
Oh, yeah, I forgot that part.
all the way back to Phoenix. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. And we hope you join us.
Bye.